YouTube TV channel list. Now, in this video, I'm going to provide you instructions or methods for you to be able to get into or access the YouTube TV channels list that you have or you got from your YouTube TV subscription. This is very, very simple. So, of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do if you don't have the YouTube TV application is just simply run or use your web browser and then go into tv.youtube.com, just like this. Now, once you're here, just simply click this option here that says sign in for you to log in into your YouTube TV account. Now, YouTube TV channels list is just around the corners. What you want to have to do is to access your profile icon, and then you will automatically be redirected into your settings. Now, choose on live guide, and all those informations that you will be seeing on your screen are all the channels list that you have, including with your subscription. Now, what you can do with those is you can change the category or you can reposition the type of channels list that you prefer, and you can even hide those specific channels. And that's it. Those are your YouTube TV channel lists.